Settle down and please make yourselves comfortable because in a few moments from now, we will officially begin our competition tonight. Once again, we would like to request everyone to please settle down and please make yourselves comfortable because in a few moments from now, we will officially begin our competition tonight.
Just bounce to this.
on. Ay, ang pinag.
Message of support.
So please settle down and please make yourselves comfortable because in a few moments from now, we will officially begin our competition tonight. lights come alive. As the song begins to set, the lights come alive and the stage is set. Tonight, we celebrate passion, talent, and music. Every chord, every beat, every lyric, a story waiting to be heard. Get ready for an unforgettable battle where melodies collide, rhythm takes over, and artists give it everything they've got. Ladies and gentlemen, live here at Tagum City Rotary Multi-Purpose Gymnasium, this is the Grand Jam Battle of the Band 2026. Reaching a rise for the invocation to the followed by the singing of the Philippine National Anthem and Tagum Mabuhay Kahim through an audio visual presentation.
Heavenly Father, Creator of all things, we come before you with hearts full of gratitude. We thank you for the blessings you have poured upon our city, for our families, our communities, and the resources of our land. Lord, we ask your forgiveness for the times we have failed to care for one another and for the gifts you have entrusted to us. We are grateful for the programs that serve the people, for health services, education, livelihood projects, environmental initiatives, social welfare programs, and disaster preparedness efforts. O divine source, we come together as one community. Bless every heart, every family, every corner of Tagum. May our diversity be our strength, and our shared humanity guide our steps. Together, we walk forward in faith, hope, and love. Grant us the wisdom to care for these gifts responsibly. Through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Mga kababayan, ang pambansang awit ng Pilipinas. Kayang magiliw, helas ng sinakalan, alam ng puso, sa titik mo'y buhay. Upang hinirang, kuya ka ng magiting, sa manlulupin, di ka pasisigil, sa nagatak tutok sa simoy at sa langit mong pangaw, ay hinagang tulakaw.
2026. By the way, we are your hosts for tonight. I am Drexy.
And I am Kirito Almonte from the Tagum City Hosting Collectives. This year's theme, Malalim at Malaya, lasting friendship for sustainable futures. Remind us that the strongest communities begin with genuine friendships.
Our symbol this year is Databanag, the traditional kite. A kite doesn't soar in its own. It rises with the wind, stays steady because of its string, and flies higher with someone guiding it. Just like us, we go further when we lift each other up.
Ayan, tama ka, Drexy. So tonight, let's make new friends, learn from one another, and create memories that last beyond this festival.
Because like the Banog, we don't just fly, we soar together.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to Tagum City Youth Festival 2026.
As the Tabanag dances with the wind, may each activity strengthen the friendships that will carry us toward a more sustainable and united future. This is the Grand Jam Battle of the Band 2026.
Alright, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. And before we start and begin this competition, Drexy, ato sang i-check ang energy sa atong crowd.
Yes! Ready na ba ang tanan?
Ayan.
Hingit sila.
Hingit sila.
Ready na dyan sila, Kira. And I know ang atong mga competitors for the night is also ready. Kaya naman, before anything else, let's have first hear a message of support coming from our very own City Councilor, Honorable Randy Jang Westcasi. A round of applause, please.
May gabi sa tanan. So to all of our participants, no, congratulations sa inyo hadaan. It really meant to us na nag-join mo sa mga event, most especially kay makita na gyud nako ang mga batanon karon, ang trend na gyud kay na gyud sa cellphone. So again, no, really very happy. So kami sa una nadra sila Kuya Bado, they started the katong free nga music instrument ni Mayor sa una pa gyud kanang unsa kay tawag ato ya Bado? Katong RTU. But then again, it's really ongoing. Hantod karon, ongoing gihapon ang ato ang RTU. It's really provided by our city and isa na sa mga flagship program ni Mayor Jude. So really very happy sa ato ang 10 ka contestants karon. Good luck. May the best band wins and of course no, see you sa mga upcoming activities. Dili mo undang after aning Battle of the Months. It's gonna be a whole month celebration of August para sa ato ang mga batanon. So, dili na nato kayo tason. Daghang salamat. Good luck. May the best band win and have a nice evening to each and everyone.
Alright, thank you so much, Honorable Renny Jim. Ask you for that wonderful message. Ayan, grabe ang message ni City Councilor Drexy.
Yes, and of course, kay competition man dili pwede nga kita lang ang maging judgerist.
Yes, of course, we have invited people nga nasa ilang kamot ang resulta sa atong competition tonight.
Yes, maong God bless na lang daan sa itong mga judges kay, you know, kabalag yun ko nga ang mga band nga nangapil karon kay dili po sila basta-basta, oy. Anyway, so wala pagdugay-dugay, Kier, ipaila-ila na ang atong judge.
Alright, of course, tonight, we are honored to have our distinguished panel of judges who will be taking on the difficult task of evaluating our amazing performers tonight. So without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, let's begin with our first judge. Our first judge. She is a versatile vocalist, songwriter, composer, and arranger with extensive experience in competitive music, television, radio, and live performances. She has performed and competed on local, national, and international stages, including the Reinforced World Music Festival in Sarawak, Malaysia, Asia's Got Talent Season 3 in Johor Bahru, Malaysia, and Soundscapes of India in New Delhi, India, representing the Philippines and showcasing Filipino musical talent. She is the lead vocalist of Crescendo Acoustic, The Apprentice, Buck Hitters, and Kuntang Mindanao. She is also a contender on the Filipinas Got Talent Seasons 5 and 6, Your Moment in ABS-CBN, a featured artist on Wish 107.5, MOR 101.1, and Maayong Buntag, Mindanao. She also served as a song interpreter at the Mindanao Popular Music Festival, composed and arranged Lungsod ng Tagum, the Tagum City Jingle, and performed as the singer of Kadagayaan, the Davao del Norte Jingle. Her achievements include being awarded as Best Musical Director of Barangay Musikahan, Grand Champion of the Pasiklaban Battle of the Bands, Musikahan sa Tagum, Grand Champion of the SM Lab Strings Acoustic Competition, Champion of the LYR Group of Companies Battle of the Bands, Champion of Paskoan sa Davnor Battle of the Bands, and Champion of the Youth Festival Tunog Tagum Battle of the Bands 2023. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome our first judge, Miss Dorothy Bless Panyo. Wagi paningot ko sa iyahang credentials, addressee.
Na-feel ganin ako kay kabangan ba na ko ni siya? Mo naghihangat naman ka po. So, nakir, oy. Anyways, nagapatunay lamang na ang atong mga judges dili basta-basta.
Yes, tama ka, addressee.
Anyways, walay pagdugay-dugay, here is our second judge. He is drummer for Worship on Fire Band, A&D Band, Notebound Band, and Hosea Band. He is also session drummer who has performed with various artists and bands, including John Gamboa, Augmented Band, Kuntao Mindanao, and LRS Band. He judged at the Hataw Bayao competition during the Philippine Society of Cultural and Biosystems Engineer Pre-Professional Group Tagum Chapter Convention. Judge at the Battle of the Bands organized by Evangelical Full Gospel Church Center of Praise. He also received an award as Best Drummer at the first Battle of the Bands in Balutan, Samaco 2024. Competed in several competitions just like Sound Waves Battle of the Band 2024, LYR Palipay Battle of the Bands 2025, and Rocktoberfest Manaklay Beach Resort 2025. Ladies and gentlemen, our second judge, Mr. Jairi Paul Alcando. A round of applause, please.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, to complete our judges tonight, we have here our chairman of the Board of Judges. Years of experience and field of specialization. He is a champion for the Musikan sa Tagum Battle of the Bands Champion 2024. Champion for the Vocal Duet Singing Competition Regional Inter-Cooperative. Hall of Fame at Tagum City Chamber Chorale CSC Government Chorale Competition from 2017, 2016, 2015, and 2018, held at Cultural Center of the Philippines at Pasay City, Philippines. Gold Level 3 for Chorale Competition Sing and Pray at Kobe, Japan last 2019, and qualifiers for World Choir Games. And our male vocalist of Tagum City Band. Ladies and gentlemen, our chairman of the Board of Judges is no other than Mr. Harold S. Humawi. And ladies and gentlemen, that completes the set of our educators tonight.
Yes, and sabi ko nga kanina, and this is a competition, kaya naman hindi pwedeng walang mechanics and criteria for judging. Anyways, here are the mechanics. Each group must perform 2 songs, 1 international song and 1 OPM song. All songs must be wholesome and appropriate for the general audience. Performers may perform an opening sequence to each of every song they wanted to perform. Total performance must not exceed 15 minutes. Each group will be given maximum of 5 minutes for stage setup and preparation. Bands must use their own instruments, provided these are declared in advance to the organizers. -1 or backing tracks are not allowed. And by the way, all of these mechanics and criteria for judging has been posted to the official Facebook page, the Tagum City Youth and Sports Development Office. So you may visit their page para at least aware po tayo sa mga nangyayari sa Longmonth celebration this August.
And of course, this competition as well, Rexy, will not be completed without having our criteria for judging. Musicality, which includes technical skill of each musician, tightness and coordination as a band, timing, rhythm, and pitch accuracy, and overall sound quality, that was 30%. Stage presence and performance, which includes energy and confidence on stage, engagement with the audience, movement, charisma, and crowd control, and visual appeal, which includes outfits and stage behavior. That was 15%. Originality and creativity, which includes unique sound or style, creativity in arrangements or songwriting, fresh interpretation, especially if covering songs. That is 25%. Song choice and arrangement, which includes suitability of songs to the band, flow and dynamics of the set, and transitions between the song. That was 15%. Overall sound and harmony, which includes balance, blend, dynamics, and quality of the band's overall sound. That is 15%. A total of 100%.
Yes, yes, yes! Ready na ba ta?
Ready na tanan, especially atong mga participants, of
Again
course.
daw, be. I-try daw na to og hear ang ato ang mga audience kung ready na ba. Once again, ready na ba ang tanan?
Just possible.
Ayan, they
Very-
set the venue on fire. Pagipaningot ko kay fire.
Hot kayo mo, Charez. Anyways, and now,
The moment we've all been waiting for.
the guitars are ready.
The microphones are set.
The drums are waiting.
And our bands are ready to rock this stage.
Let the grand jump begin!
Starting with our entry, number 1, Cognitos.
Samantha, nagyot tayo mga preparation in advance, no? So, bago na yung tanan, mo entrance ako balik. Dirita here.
Okay.
Hello, sir! Wow, nakuratan ka, sir. Pero nahatlong ka, sir, ay. Hello, sir! You are from, ano nga yung band niyo, sir?
I'm from kanang A&D band.
I believe, sir, last 2024, you are part of this Battle of the Band. Tama po? Hindi pala.
Fake news.
Ay, fake news dahil ko. Sorry, anyway, sir. Diba? Na si Sir Jairi. Tama, sir, Sir Jairi. Anyway, sir, while our participants are preparing, I have a question, sir. Unsa, as a judge this tonight, unsa ang imuhang mga gina-expect or something na makabuhi sa imuhang heart na mo ang inyuhang mahimong scoring anong dako ang ilahang makuha karon or probably sila ang madaog.
Siguro usa sa criteria na ako is yung passion jud sa passion, yeah. Makita mo gud nimo sa naong palandaan, sa expression ng palandaan, and the way siya motugtog, like kung unsa siya ka-connecta sa iyang instrument nga ginadala. So diha pa lang ta makaingon ko, iya jud ning gina-baby iyang instrument. Iya jud ning ginaalagaan bisag matug siya, huna siya, mag-drums na bud ko, mag-guitar na bud ko. So ingana siya. So mo-reflect naman na siya karon. Katumagi pang praktisan nila, mabunga na siya nya. Wala, pakita lang ang excellence, ana siya. So passion jud ang start.
Diba? May pag-instrument ta kay alagaan.
Yes,
Agara.
itapadugtulog baby. So ang atong sa mga join guys, pwede naman din mag-uyab kay yung instrument itself is your baby. Yeah, diba, sir? Yes, anyways, thank you po, Sir Jairi. Dito tayo kay Ma'am Dorothy. Ngagi ka po ikaogbasa sa iyahang credentials sa sobra kahawon.
Kaya paningot ko, ma'am.
Yes, so ikaw na ba kay question here? Nakaipangutan na kay ma'am.
So, kinsa ang imong inspiration, ma'am, for your passion po?
Of course, inspiration. My family. Kasi my family. Kasi into music din yung family ko.
So ilang years ka na pong sa ganitong ma'am, sa ganitong setup, like doing the band?
You mean band?
Yes po.
For like 2016. 2016 ako nag-start.
So that was 10 years ago.
10 years ago.
Yeah. So, ma'am is a part of the band. You are part of the band, right, ma'am? So, mga, unsa po nang imuhang mga struggles, ma'am? Nakay mga maingon nga struggles during sa imuhang mga pag-join, di ba nag-join, magka-competitions, ma'am?
Yeah.
So, what are the most commonly nga naging reason or sa imuhang mga struggles? Yes po.
Struggles?
Yes.
Okay, maraming bands na kasi ang napuntahan ko, but the recent talaga is nung pumunta kami ng New Delhi, India. May isang luggage na naiwan namin sa Calcutta. Hindi naiwan, I mean, gikawat ang isa ka luggage, which ang loob ng luggage is mga indigenous instruments.
Oh, that's
And then,
really a struggle, ma'am.
A big part talaga siya ng performance sa amin kasi we're bringing the pride of the Philippines and yung mga indigenous instrument yung nawala pa. Yes.
That's really a struggle, ma'am.
Super.
Anyways, ano man ninyo, ma'am, na-overcome na ninyo siya nga.
Yes.
Struggle.
Nagawa namin ng paraan.
Yes, that's the spirit talaga. Anyways, thank you so much,
Thank you.
ma'am. And I think here.
Yes, I think ready
Ready
na
na.
itong entry number 1. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, our entry number 1, Cognitos.
only take it. The violence causes silence. Who are we mistaken? What you say? It's not me. It's not my family. In your head, in your head, they are fighting. In the tent, in their walk, in their walk, in their walk. In your head, they are fighting. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. World is breaking, heart is taking over. When the violence causes silence, we must be mistaken. It's the same old thing, same not 10-16. In your head, they are fighting. When they say, in their mouth, in their mouth, in their mouth. In your head, they are fighting. What's in your head? In your head, yeah. Zombie, zombie, zombie. What's in your head?
That was our entry number 1, Cognitos.
Yes, natapos na ang ating first. Sila pa lang, first.
Yes.
Hala, nanggako na lagi sila. Anyways, ang sama ni. Hello po, requesting po yung ano natin,
Main vocalist.
yes, our main vocalist.
So please be here in front for our short interview.
Anyways,
Mic
once
check,
again,
one.
palakpakan po natin sila. Napakagaling. Siyempre, di ba, here, you know, sa competition, kapag ikaw yung number 1, parang kailangan ikaw yung mag-set ng
Yes.
standard. Kasi ikaw yung parang hindi makakalimutan kasi first na nag-perform.
Tama. Of course, our number 1. Asa naman itong entry number 1 in front?
Hala, parang ayaw nila sa atin here. Hello! Parang nagsaya na siguro sila sa likod. Anyways,
And of course, at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us now to hear another message of support coming from our City Councilor, Honorable Romeo Catayas. A round of applause, please.
So daghang salamat no sa ato ang mga gwapito-gwapita katong paila. So maayong gabi katong tanan. So kabalo ko nga excited na pud mo sa sunod nato nga mga contender kay sa number 1 palagdaan mga kuyaw dito kayo ang mga atong mga participants. So anyway, nangayo ko dispensa kay nalate ko ako tatong opening remarks. So nalahi gamay. So bahatag lang ko mubo nga mensahe kay dugang support pod no sa in behalf kay Mayor Tioy. So nagpadayon jog support ang amo sa council sa mga kalihukan sa mga kabatanunan no ato ang head sa youth no si Edo Makabatas o ato ang chairperson sa ISKI chairperson si Councilor Roan Rillion o sa inyong tanan nakabalo ko nga nadyo mo tagsa diha nga mga manok. So sa ako alang nga in every competition there is no winner without loser. Di ba? Kay competition man yun so bahala na may mga tulo ka judge diri kay mga kuya po ni pamilya na ko ang mga naong di po ni basta-basta. No? Nga mohosga yun sa atong mga contestant karon. So karon nag-istorya mi ni Sir Edo Makabatas, first, second, third na daw ang kwaon sa polo ka mga contender. So karon mosaad ko sa non-winners, mohatag ko gamay nga mga consolation prize sa ilaha. No, sa dili palaran, may na lang po ipang-snack, ipainit nila after sa ilahang presentation. Di pa man i-award karon no, sunod pa man di ay. So nag-istorya namin ni Edo Makabatas, Sir Edo Makabatas, mahatag ko gamay nga consolation prize sa mga non-winners karong gabi una. So, di na ko tason. Daghang kay salamat sa inyong makanunayong suporta sa kalihukan sa ato ang syudad sa Tagum. Kini ubos kay gala so pala kaila di ay ngit-ngit man sa inyong pananaw po hayag ang panglantaw. Romeo Kaloy Catayas. Daghang salamat og may gabi pag-usap ka natong tanan og dalaygon ang Dios.
Wow, thank you so much, Honorable Romeo Catayas, for your message of support.
amazing kayo si Honorable ba na siya pa-mic drop.
Nasa'y pa mic
Ay,
drop.
Anyways, we would like to thank our sponsors kasi kung wala po sila, wala pong mangyayaring ganitong mga event, a long-month celebration of our youth, ganon. Anyways, we would like to thank our officials and partners for making this event possible. We have Honorable De Carlo Oyuoy, City Mayor Honorable Ray T. Uy,
City Vice Mayor Honorable Attorney Eva Lorraine Estabilio,
our city councilors,
Miss Alma Uy for Tourism,
Council National Youth Commission,
of course our DILG Tagum and LGU offices,
the City Information Office,
the City Tourism and Management Office,
Federasyon ng mga Sangguniang Kabataan.
and of course our local Youth Development Council.
Yes, and also our partners, we have JCI Davao.
Future Bridging Leaders Program Alumni Association.
We have here the Robinson Small Tagum
University of Mindanao Tagum College.
and the Aurora Coffee.
And of course, for our platinum sponsors, we have Venus Line. Thank you so much.
We would also like to thank our gold sponsors. We have a Skin Perfection Beauty Essentials,
Gaudensol Lugaw to Go,
K-Star Tagum Korean Mart,
Diocesan Printing Press and Publishing Incorporated,
Tagum Cooperative.
365 Ice Cream and Coffee.
Here are our silver sponsors. We have the Tart Cafe,
A touch of class Tagum Aesthetics and Wellness Center,
Madayao Hotel,
Baro Cafe and Resto Tagum Brunch,
Dino Landia Tagum Indoor Playground,
Advantage Digital Systems.
and Mia's Frozen Products. Maraming salamat po sa inyong
Yes.
napaka-kind heart.
Of course, tungod sa ilaha, they really make this month-long celebration a possible one.
Yes, mas naging, always magyuta na, pero kung wala sila, murag, ay, eng mo na nga to ang program.
Yes, of course.
I think, hindi pa po ba ready? Wala pa sila na ready. Here, dari here. Kaganina na question naman nato ito.
Yes. And
Hello,
it's time
sir.
for us now nga maila-ila po na to.
Kani si Sir Kay, very familiar because I think you were one of the judges last 2024 Battle of the Bands, sir. Yes? Yes, familiar kay ka, Sir Kay. Nagdungan nagyapon ta. Ako may host ato ni Agi, sir. So karon magdungan. Yes, sir. Mag-story na po ta, ginagmay, sir. Anyways, para walay bias, di na to pag-isgutan ang mga unang performer. Let's imagine, sir, nga wala pa kayo nakita. Ana. So, unsa man ang imuhang maingon nga any advice to all of our bands nga mag-perform karong gabi una?
Again, may gabi. Akong advice for the other entries for the Battle of the Bands, simple lang. If you want to join the competition, especially the Battle of the Bands, sundon lang ninyo ang criteria, no? Labi na ang asa to pinakadakong porsyento, the musicality, and importante ana kay grupo man mo, dapat naagi mo yung coordination. Harmony, number 1 na siya. In short, dapat limpyo ang inyuhang mga pyesa nga i-play. At the same time, musunod yun mo sa mechanics o guidelines, mga na ang pinaka-kwadya. And i-perform nyo through heart and mind. Ano lang, just it, di ba?
Yes, sir. If may I know, sir, pila na ka-years nga nag-join o band? I mean, naging part o isa ka band, sir? Pila na ka-years?
As of now, I'm connected from the LGU almost 20 years.
20 years.
Oh, dugay-dugay
so,
na.
para ang damang yun kung tawagon, sir.
Old
Ana, yan.
Spider.
Old Spider. Ay, di ka gusto ka ang damang, sir. Old Spider, yung mga ganan.
Yes.
Ay, noon po. Mas gwapo paminawon. Mas
Wow.
classy.
Sosyal.
Yan, sir. So, if you don't mind, sir, can you share marag ka ng during sa time ko, sir, nga nag-join, karon, recent man or katong mga sinauna pa, ay grabe naman si sinauna, sir, no? Kanang mga struggle nga imong gibati before during the doing the band. Mga na-struggle nimo, sir, sa inyo sa banda, ikaw
Okay.
itself.
Daghan, no? Pero normally man gina as a group, na ginay mga negatives dapat sa ibuhaton, especially the group. Ang ato alang is ako naman ko sa government, no? This controlled by the city government of Tagum. Ang advice nako sa mga paraan nila, mga freelancer, kumbaga grupo-grupo sa gawas, combine kay kaila. So, ang pinaka-importante diha, number 1, inyuhang attitude. Batasan yun ang pinaka-importante sa tanan, no? The instruments nga gihatag sa inyo ha, no? Gift na para sa inyo ha. So, meaning, kung imuha nang general, dapat i-combine gina nimo ang imong attitude and pagpaningkamot, no? Asa ba ka na belong with the band, no? And og naay problema sa grupo, ang inyong buhaton ana, i-fix ninyo, tagaan ninyo ang solusyon yun. Ayaw i-agi og samok kay dili gyud bugawas ang musicality sa inyong grupo. That's it.
Yes, so thank you so much, sir. Tinuod
Thank
mag yun,
you,
no?
sir.
Nga, Kier, tinuod yun, no? Nga pag magbuta og mga grupo, kay, ano yun na siya, dapat, nagyod ang, dili mawala ang attitude, ana.
Yes, of course, the collaboration because
Yes.
you are working as a team. All right, I believe ready na ang atong entry number 2.
Yes. So, walay pagdugay-dugay, here is our entry number 2, the Roots on Fire.
What's up, everyone? Woo! Check! Yeah! Mahal kong Pilipinas, mahal mo ba ako? Malapit nang mabutas ang tsinelas, pero mahirap pa rin tayo. Walang magain, walang tira, nang hirap humanap ng pagkakitaan. Bakit ganito? Bakit? Oh, mahal kong Pilipinas, mahal mo ba ako? Malapit nang mabutas ang tsinelas, pero mahirap pa rin tayo. Walang makain, walang tirahan, ang hirap pumanat na pagkakitaan. Bakit ganito? Bakit? Parang trapo na itsura mo, kakatrabaho, panay sugat sa kamay at makapal na mga kaluhang kasoy tila. Di pa kalaman makaluwag tila, tutulunok ang medisinang walang bisana. Pagkadal lang pang makakuha ng kahit ano, nagaling sa mga tao na tau-tauhan niya. Oo, ang dami namin dito, araw-araw na iniisip kung paano, pero parang imposible lahat ng plano. Pagbabayad ko sa utang na panibago, bakit ka mo? Kasi kulang na kulang. Nagigit tayo kung ngayong araw, inaso ng hapon, pinambili ko ng ulang. Mahal ko ang Pilipinas, mahal ko ba ako? Malapit ang mabutas ang tsinelas, pero mahirap pa rin tayo. Walang makain, walang tira, nang hirap humanap ng pagkakitaan. Bakit ganito? Bakit? Oh, mahal kong Pilipinas, mahal mo ba ako? Malapit ng mabutas ang tsinelas, pero mahirap pa rin tayo. Walang makain, walang tirahan, ang hirap humanap na pagkakitaan. Patawarin mo sana ako sa aking mga nagawa. Ano mang buhay ang ibigay sa atin na iba. Salamatan kahit nagaano ka papahirapan ay walang may karapatan. Ikaw lamang at wala na pang dapat ba iwalaan. Ano mang bagay na galing sa'yo dapat na pangalagaan ka. Mahalin mo ang Pilipinas, ano man ang mangyari sa'yo. Kahit pa maputas gumawa sa kuwan mo pa man, huwag na huwag kang hinto. Mahalin mo ang Pilipinas, kahit pa naman pa maputas gumawa sa kuwan, huwag na huwag kang hinto. Roots and Fire once again. And the next song, there's something from Revolution. Are you ready? Handa ba kayo makipagsigawan? Makipag-rock-rockan? Let's start! Say! Can this be this stranger at my girl? Or do I know I've seen you once before? Hey! Come on now, can I remember your name now? But in a way it's best that I don't say. It's a pleasure to meet once again for the night. I can promise my focus isn't me or is it my attention span? Oh, not now. I see that way you stare at me, ooh girl. I like that way you swirl your hair and swirl. Hey! Come on now, can I remember your name now? But in a way it's best that I don't say. It's a pleasure to meet ya. Once I get more than that, I can promise my focus is it me or is it my attention span? You're not now. last routine, waiting down on me. Give me more than just my needs, waiting down on me. And we're still riding high, and we're still riding high. Woke up this morning with my life on the line, hoping my eyes will allow you deepness inside. I try my baby and you left me behind. At least inside when you're sleeping, looking fine. 1, 2, 3, go! Let's rock! Maraming salamat, Tagum!
Yes, and thank you so much, Roots on Fire.
Wow, grabe naman ang ilahang performance tonight. We would like to invite at least
Yes.
one sa inyong member to please join us for our quick chika moment
Yeah.
right here. Wow, gipaningot sila kuya.
Siyempre, hot daw
Hot.
mag-perform. Anyways, hello po.
Ano sa'yo pangalan dyan ni sir?
My name is Noah Bagaman. Noah Bagaman.
Okay, si Sir Doa. Okay, and of course, ko ba na to? Si
Jeremy po. Jeremy Manalo po.
You are the vocalist, tama po. Yes.
Yeah.
So, your name, or your group, band name was Roots on Fire. So, asa di ka ng inyuhang kuan, banda, name sa inyong banda?
Actually, kanang pressured name ra na kay kanang wala mi nasabutan tarong ba niya nakaunaw na ko Roots on Fire because our song is kanang about sa revolution, so that means like kanang mga gusto na mo i-voice out ang mga about sa corruption like that para sa ating Japan po.
Alright, so inyong band, sir, is kanus alang nag-start?
Basic, among band po is nag-start po sa like kapon. Bali mag 3 years na po siya from the Tick Crush na school.
Wow, 3 sweet years sa school.
3 years po may nag-open sa school po.
From what school po?
T-Crush po. Like, Tagum City Regional Academy for Senior High School.
Alright. So, how's the preparation for this competition? So, unsa yung mga preparation ninyong gibuhat? Like, of course, I know you are also a student, right? So, ginaunsa niyo pag-balance ang inyong rehearsal or practice and yung studies as well?
Gina-respeto na mo ang oras sa mong bandmates. So, di bali kung unsay oras nga masabutan, mapudan mo time nga mag-practice po.
So, sabot-sabot lang. So, walay penalty ang madugay, ana. Charot.
Anyways, kinsa ang most nag-lead sa inyo, ha? Kinsa inyong leader? I mean, syempre sa banda, tanan magyud mo dapat fair, pero dili magyud mo wala nga nagyud dapat magyud. So kinsa most probably ang naging leader ninyo?
Ang leader dyan namin is si Champ po. Champ. Yes po, leader. Drummer na po. Yes po. Kay siya po ang nasa mga is like namin mga mali, like siya ang maragasipra sa mga po tanan. Yes po.
So, unsa si Chop Chop? Tama? Chop?
Champ po, Champ.
Sorry. Bungol. Ano si Cham Cham? Unsa siya nga klase nga leader sa inyo ha? Very, go with the flow lang? Or medyo strict? Or what kind of leader?
Si Champ kay guwapo, cute. Guwapo, cute.
Face reveal.
And actually si Champ po is siya po ang murag kuya sa mga like siya ang nag-guide like murag once nga na kanang margipit ka iya kang ba like si tawag na ba
Call a friend siya.
yes
Anyways, ikaw personally, unsa ang asa nag-start ang tanan? Ikaw na na-realize nimo nga I wanna be part of a band. Kinsa ang naging inspiration behind that?
ikaw son
Inspiration is kanang sa among band mismo because we know ourselves before.
nagsugod ko banto mo join ko is tungod sa akong nanay ug sa akong mama kay actually akong nanay is choir sa simbahan and nagasabay-sabay ko and moto na-adapt na ko and moto yung ginaingon sa ko nga pag ako ipadayon na daw ko mabot so isulod ko ani nga band and nakailan ako sila.
Alright, and ikaw sir, ikaw ang main guitarist sa inyong band, right? So I just want to know sir if kanusaan nag-start ang imong hilig sa pag-guitar?
Since I was grade 7.
So that was how many years?
Yes. Okay, compute sa
7, 8,
inyo.
9, 10, 11.
Alright.
7 years.
Sama siya sir, skill lang nimo or talent sa inyong family nga naman sa igikan sa man?
Sa akong papa.
Wow, sa iyong papa.
Makamis yun no nga, mostly sa mga talent kay nang boom tungod sa family because sama sa gingon ni Kuya nga siya kay nag-join nag-auban-uban siya sa iyang mama, nag-auban-uban sa choir. Tama, choir yung mama sa nag-auban-uban siya sa practice. And si Kuya naman is guitarist imong papa. So, ana sila. I think dili pa sila ready. So, let's try to rate ang inyuhang performance tonight. Kung kamo ang paistoryahan, ikaw man ang vocalist. Unsa mo pag-rate na satisfied ba ka or murag nakulangan ka or whatsoever?
Feel ako kay murag satisfied pud ko kay tuyok mo nang ko dere. Gabi singotan ako. Satisfied.
Yan, satisfied.
Yes, and anyways, thank you so much po.
Thank you so much for joining us and gracing us at this juncture.
And gusto lang po namin ipabot sa inyo na ang ating partner council for this event was Honorable Romeo Kataya. So thank you so much po, Honorable. And one of our partner officers was the Red Cross Deltner. So thank you so much po sa suporta nga inyong ginapakita sa Tagum Youth Fest 2026. Anyways, I think ready na po ang ating ikatulong mo perform.
So without any further ado, ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's give a big round of applause for our entry number 3, Drifted Arts. come moving up slowly. Got Jojo boy, one rolling water. He got hair down to his knees. Got to be a joker, you just do what he please. He wear no shoe shine, he got toe jump football, he got monkey finger, he shoot Coca-Cola, he says I know you know me. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together right now, over me. He bad production, he got Warriors Gumbo, he got Warriors Sabo, he's on a cracker, he got head down, low his knees. One thing I can tell you is you got to be free. Come together right now, over me. He got early warning, he got muddy water, he should no job filter. He said 1 and 1 and 1 is 3. Got to be good looking, cause it's so hard to see. Come together right now, over me. Come together, come together, come together, come together, come together, right now, over me. It's a vet on my instrumental. You had your shut on never listen. You towered out, feeling up for real. My eyes still sits with a terror. Leave now the gun on my father, yo, every day. It's like what we going through. You aging orange man will be coming up to you. So we got my ninja. Moving with the drum, my altar away from home. Come straight out the train, I who needs ya. To get the jack with the mister, the devil talking. On a freaking sneaker, yo, lay back, you push back, you turn back, you pull back. Say the freaking bell like a master code, just like a clock. To the top, you be running like a maniac. You be talking trash, I will, I was sick as shot. It's your damage, get up, get up, get up. It's your damage, come up, come up, come up. It's your damage, get up, get up, get up. It's your damage, you better get up now. It's your damage, get up, get up, get up. It's your damage, come up, come up, come up. It's your damage, get up, get up, get up. You better get up now. Tonight, come to waste your time. Just see I'm man on board, speed around my shine.
The brain's been a threat into my spine. Unexplainable, you can't be defined. They hating me, stabbing me, pain me. Still I do with the hate of the enemy. I hunt you by feel when you speak like a memory. Terrorize my mind like a Johnny in the moment. Explode like a atomic, dead like a tenant. Dance to a song, ever told out a music soul. To get a slide, to get a charm, what's your way of flow? You can't be defined when you mess with a ghost. So get victimized when you close your eyes. Take 1, 2 and then mesmerize. Summarize, I never tell you right. Never tell you rise, watch that rise. It's your doorway, get up, get up, get up. It's your doorway, come up, come up, come up. It's your doorway, get up, get up, get up. It's your doorway, you better get up now. It's your doorway, get up, get up, get up. It's your doorway, come up, come up, come up. It's your doorway, get up, get up, get up. It's your doorway, you better get up now. Get up, get up, get up. It's your doorway, come up, come up, come up. It's your doorway, get up, get up, get up. It's your doorway, you better get up now. It's your doorway, get up, get up, get up. It's your doorway, come up, come up, come up. It's your doorway, get up, get up, get up. It's your doorway, you better get up now. No, 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 no. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Drifted Arts.
Wow, what a fantastic performance it is, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we would like to request the following members to please join us right here in front of the stage for our short chika interview.
Yeah, so habang wala pa
Yan.
sila, no? Acknowledging the present.
Ayan. Okay, yun sa pangalan. Okay, what's name yan na nato, sir?
Neil Oliver.
Okay, si Sir Neil Oliver. So you are the main vocalist and guitarist as well. Diba? So, I just want to know, sir, unsa ang inyong inspiration sa inyong banda to join us in this celebration or in this competition tonight?
Actually, ni Apil namin dili kay napod may amigo nga banda ba ni
Just
Apil.
bounce to this.
Nami amigo nga banda nga ni Apil.
So, friendship, di ay. So, may I know, unsa nga banda ang inyong friend po na ni Apil?
Halos sila man tanan.
Ay, sila de. Ay, na dito. Sila de tanan. So, support each other. Ana siya. Anyways, ang pangalan sa inyong banda was Drifted Arts. So, asa gikan ng inyong name sa inyong banda?
Gawas ra sa utok, ma'am.
Nigawas na sa... Kana gani, o sa may pangalan sa mong banda? Ay, kabalon ako. Ana siya kakalit na pagkahon-hon ano. Anyways, pila na mo ka years or month bang as a team, as a band?
Kani siya, pag-uno ko ni siya bandang, mga banda, May lang, May.
May lang. Pero before, nag-join ka, nakailaing grupo sa banda. So ikaw personally, unsa ang imuhang mga Syempre kay ikaw siya man gud tingog sa banda, isa siya sa mga tingog sa banda. And mostly sila man gud natong ginapaminaw. Unsa ang imong mga preparation in doing so? Preparation.
Vocal exercises.
Sama na lamang sa
1. Inom tubig.
inom?
Inom tubig o breath. Ginawa.
Ay, so pila ka litro ka tubig ang imuhang ginainom?
Personally, kay isa ka litro, isa ka dlaw.
Ah, as in, isa ka laduok? So mo sa, ning kalitrag kuno na sa ko ba, isa ka litro do yung inomon. So, ning kalitrag sulod sa kong mind, isa ka litro, isa ka lagok? Grabe naman.
Okay, as a singer, sir, gusto na ako mahibalaan, no? Unsa ka tinuod niya? As a singer, allowed ba mo inom og mga cold water? Or ka na mga nag-ice nga tubig? Or warm water lang ba ang inyong kinahanglan inumon?
Sa kuha kay depende unsa yung genre or depende pod pila ka oras inyong gig.
So fake news dahil ito ako ang akong friends.
Karon maguro ko nikaw ice cream.
Consag ice cream.
Just possible.
Okay, sa flavor. Charot na. Okay. I just want to know, sir, nag-eskwela pa ba mo for now?
Yes, third year.
Okay. So, ginaunsa ninyo pag-balance ang inyong preparation and as well as your academics to join this tonight?
Free time lang kay working student mapugo. Working student and third year. Bali ang bakante rin namo kay buntag.
Yeah. Working student. Of course, makarelate ang mostly sa ato ang audience, no? Being a working student. Alright, napaka-gusto yung pangutana, Drexy.
Kani.
Kaya mo na nakita na ako ganina, nag-prepare ka 70 ka questions.
70 ka questions.
Aha naman to.
Para nang dili na maboard tanan. 70 ka questions yun ang i-prepare.
Powered by?
ChatGPT.
Charot.
Kani, akong pangutana. So, dugay naman ka nag-join ng banda. What was your feeling when you do? Hindi naman kabalo ko English. Kanang, what was your feeling when you do the first band competition nga imong gapilan?
Again.
Unsa ang imong na-feel katong first time yung ka na nag-join sa competition sa usa ka banda?
Siyempre, cool ba?
Cool ba? Pero
Normal naman na ma-feel tag nervous because we have
nervous system. Pero gusto niyo mag-overcome ang imuhang kakulba.
Actually, wala dyan ako dyan na-overcome. Kaya ito karoon, makulbaan ka po. Kung makulbaan ka, mas lingaw.
Ay, ganahan ko niya kay gina-turn niya o positive side ang iyang kakulba ba?
Yes.
Even kita man good care, makaingon po ko nga, kaganina kay nakulbaan ko. Pero karon kay Gay, na lang yun ko na
just
moment.
enjoy the time and of course, just enjoy the show na lang.
Yes. And kani, last question. Ang uban, naging inspirasyon nila ang ilang family because naging part, nag-join sila gingane or nagbuhat sila banda, it's because ang ilang family is into music. Ikaw, unsa man po ang imuhang inspirasyon?
Inspirasyon kay wala. Inborn
yung inspiration.
Ay, ganahan ka niya ka na
Pwede
pag-anak
kumahin
kay
mo yung
nag-gitara na siya.
inspirations. Charot.
Ay, saan sa Kira sa
Wala.
Anyways, ganahan ko sa iya kay pagka-inborn man daw iyahang talent mo. So, kanang pag-anak niya, ginagawa ni siya gitara siyang mama. Anak, kay
Nasa
inborn mo.
kambal nga gitara.
Yes. Anyways, bago na ang tanan, i-acknowledge na to ang SK chairman coming from Barangay Apocon, Honorable Valence Palaron. Hello po, thank you so much for being here sa pagsuporta. Grabe siya ka mga supportive ang atong mga honorables ba?
Of course, and of course as well, all Tagomenians who come and join us tonight, no? Magkita-kita ba ta up until the end of our competition or event this evening.
Yeah, so, wala pa yun sila. Honey, pangutana na po. Okay,
Sige.
ganina last, latter sa mukha, oy. Unsa man ako'y pangutana, Kier? Pangutana, Kier.
Okay, na-mention mo earlier, sir, that you are studying. Unsa man ang imuhang program currently?
BSBA, major in marketing.
Ayan, major in marketing. So if a product ang iyong band, how would you sell it to the public? Agaray.
Og kani. Og nangita mo gwapo nga gitarista, diri mo sa Drifted Hours.
Ayan, ang sa paginahulat. Sa itangan yung ano. Okay.
And speaking of selling, naday Tagum City Youth Festival 2026 official merch. Naapo sila sa likod. Left, right. Bulong pagkukuder siya naman. Left, right. So, dito sila sa right side, sa likod. Pwede po tayong bumili ng kanilang official. Hindi naman talaga makalitok ang babae. Official merch po. So, meron po tayong t-shirt, lace, and all. Anyways, thank you po.
Alright, thank you so much for joining us. And I believe our next entry is now ready to perform. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for our entry number 4, Esteliares.
Taguan bilang ng mga buwan.
Anya ni kaloy na habang buhay ng namamasan. Mausok, huwag magtulakan, huwag maghilaan, lahat malibigyan. sa'yo raw ang lunas. Ang ilaw ng tahanan ay nakukunin na. Ano na, maawa ka, magkano bang halaga? Sa'yo nakasalalay, buhay ba ay mahal?
Magtanim may di biro, maghapon na kayo ko. Hirap na ang makaupo, sila pa ang nakatayo. Ako ang nagtanim, iba ang umakino. Kalo'y maligayang pagdating sa mundo, puno ng sakit. With the LP boys for one last time, ready to roll. What the hell are you waiting for? After us there should be no more. For one last time, let's make some noise.
Tired of being what you want me to be, feeling so faithless, lost under the surface. Don't know what you're expecting of me, put under the pressure of walking in your shoes. Every step that I take is another mistake to you. I've become so numb, I can feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming there. All I want to do is be more like that, and be less like you.
See that you're smothering me, holding you tightly, afraid to lose control. 'Cause everything that you thought I would do is falling apart right in front of you.
Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow.
Every step that I take is another mistake to you.
Caught in the undertow, just caught in the undertow.
Every second I wait is more than I can take. I've become so numb, I can feel you there. Become so tired, so much more aware. I'm becoming that's all I want. more of when we coming back. All I want to do is be more like me and be less like you.
And that was our entry number 4, Esalia. Alright, what a fantastic and spectacular performance it is, ladies and gentlemen. Grabe ang ato ang mga entries tonight, Drexy.
Yes, tinuod yun care nga. Dili gyud sila ga basta-basta. Uy. Yes,
Ayan,
hello
ready
po.
na sila. Ganahan ko, anak, kay may pagkukusang pumunta dito sa harapan.
Yes. Anyways, let me kanang compliment the eyeshadow of ate vocalist. Very big, very girly with the
Yes, ganahan ko
glitters.
sa ilahang motif.
Yes.
Color pink.
Anyways, hello po.
Hello, good evening.
Just bounce to this.
Yes, good evening po. The band name was
Stellarius.
Stellarius. So, giunsa ninyo pagugna inyuhang kuan? Inyuhang
Yung pangalan,
sa
iyong band.
banda?
Kaya ang last kay ni appear lang man siya sa ilang mind. Ay, inyo ni, ano na ba siya?
Ay, originally, ang Stellar is kay from grade 11 pa siya na band na mo. And kanang cramming man to pagbuhat sa band name. Dayon, katunga time kay sikat mong good ang anak ni Melay nga si Stella. And nalingaw mi saya, so alam nga Stella na lang, tapos dungagan na to Grace para star.
Yan, ganahan ko, witty ang ilahang name. So, once again, unsa kanya yung name po? You are?
I'm Julian Rose.
Jillian and?
I am Benedict de la Cruz.
Benedict de la Cruz. So, lang ano na may syagit diraan. Charot. So, pila na mo ka-years as a team or pila na ka-years ang inyong banda?
Ano, since 2023, pero
2023. So basically, pila man? 3 years. Yes. Best in mathematics. So, sa inyo ang 3 years nga panag-uban, I know that there are numerous or daghan na nga mga event or competition ang inyong gijoinan, di ba? So, unsa ang pinaka-memorable so far sa mga competition nga inyong giapilan as a band?
ay kanang actually new ano na mo si Ben.
Okay.
Yes. So karon pa may naka-appeal jud ni Ben nga competition. Pero nakakanta na mi before sa para sa school. So yes. Kato.
Okay. How about you? This is your first competition together with a band, right? So, kumusta so far ang inyong performance? Especially, your first competition is here, no? This is actually a big competition. So, kumusta ang inyong feeling so far?
So, I feel surprised sa kadagang tao karon na nangadto. Salamat guys. And sa among performance is chokes ra.
Shocks.
Depende sa judges. Tapos kanang since youth festival man so banda so i-advocate sa nato ang mga musical instrument and tanang mga musicians na nagatugtog sa Tagum City tapos maka-influence pa sila more musicians sa Tagum City.
Alright, of course, in relation to his answer, no, it is very nice to witness here sa atong youth festival in the city of Tagum that they are very much open and inclusive to different and variety of talents from drag race ba to, drag queen, and to, kung saan ito kahapon, Himig Kabataan, and tonight is the Battle of the Bands. And of course, I know in the following days, there are actually numerous and a lot of activities and competition pa ang atong hulaton o atong tan-awon diriya lang sa ato ang celebration this month. Yeah.
Anyways, unsa kay inyong songs nga gi-perform? Kaloy and Numb by Linkin Park. So, unsa man na siya, favorite na ninyo nga i-perform or yun sa ninyo pag isip nga kani ang among i-perform?
Since kuan kaning sa ato ang kalagayan sa atong bansa karon na dagay corruption, dagay mga flood control karon, so naisip namong kantahon ang Kaloy sa naka-represent sa usa ka tawo na nagapaningkamot bisan pa sa kalisod, bisan pa sa corruption sa atong kalibutan, sa atong country na magpadayon gyapon bisag pobre, bisag walang-wala, bisag unsa man imong estado sa kinabuhi. Maglaban yung patas, dili pareha sa mga corrupt na mga politician.
It's good to hear no nga kanang ginagamit nila ang ilahang tingog ug kusog para sa kamatooran. Anyways, thank you po
Thank you so much for joining us. And now, our entry number 5 is now ready to perform. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for our entry number 5, Ecstasy!
Nasa langit na gusto mo ba sumama? Di mo na kailangan pang magtago't mahiya. Di mo na kailangan pang humanap ng iba. Kalimutan lang muna ang lahat ng problema. Huminga ka ng malalim at tayo'y lalarga na. Handa ka na ba? Isipan, puso at isipan, balibarin ang kamalayan, balibarin. Masdan mo ang aking mata, di mo ba nakikita? Ako'y lumilipad at nasa alapaap na. Gusto mo bang? Gusto mo bang? Gusto mo bang? Gusto say you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance with me. We were victims of the chemical, physical kryptonite, helpless to the base in the faded light. No, we were bound to be together, bound to be together. She took arms, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I say you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. This dress and some made of sneaks, my discontent, Juliet's teenage dream. I fed in my dress and she looked at me. And we were bound to be together, bound to be together. Took my arm, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I say you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Deep in her eyes, I think I see the future. I realize this is my last chance. She took my arms, I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I say you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, shut up and dance. Ladies, gentlemen, it's Album City. Let me hear you sing and dance. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Oh, don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I say you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said, ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Ooh, 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 shut up and dance with me. Ooh, shut up and dance with me.
Thank you so much. Word to note. Ayan.
Ayan, grabe ang atoang band of the Word to Note band. Thank you so much. And of course, once again, we would like to request any members sa atoang band to please be here in front for our Chika Minute session. This is actually my favorite part because we actually have the opportunity to know more about their band. All right?
Yes, hello.
Yan.
Congratulations.
Congratulations for finally completing and finishing your performance. So, inyong band is Word to Note Band. So, asa gika na ang pangalan sa inyong band? Nag-origin ba siya sa Latin word nga? O, era po.
Ang Word to Note na band is, ang first name niya is Versatile, like way back months ago. Pero karon po is ang name na sa among band is Word to Note by amo ang leader, which is ang katong drummer.
Okay. And actually, nice ang ilang evolution sa ilang name from Versatile to Word to Note. Because for me, Word to Note is something like yung ma-remember, di ba? Yung ma-note nga word.
Unique good siya, no?
Yes.
Unique. So, speaking of unique, unsaon ninyo pagstorya or unsaon ninyo pag tell sa mo nganong makaingon mo nga unique ang inyong band?
Hello. Okay. So, first of all, no, I can say, so I can tell no nga unique me with this battle since like na-notice na mo like mo nagipili na mo tong duha ka song because like na-notice na mo every battle puro siya like rock and something. So, why not next battle kanang maka-vibe tanan 90s, 20s, di ba? So, I think mo na yung naka-unique sa mo the way we think po.
Alright. And of course, ang iyong gikanta earlier, sa title, sa iyong gikanta earlier?
Among kanta sa first song kay Alapa Up and then sa second song is Shut Up and Dance po.
Okay, so, unsa yung inspiration to come up to sing that song?
Ang inspiration po namo is kanang no matter how much we kuan mamali kay ginagamit na mo ang negativity as motivation po. And not just that, pero shoutout ko sa akong mga amigo dira, sa akong mga classmates, o sa akong pamilya na dira!
But also po kanang to give life po sa battle and para ma-enjoy ta ninyong tanan. Like dili lang certain type of people but kita ninyo tanan as one po.
Yes, and I feel yun po na ko nung grabe yun ang ilang presence because habang sila nag-perform, ang crowd kay grabe, naki-join, ansa?
Nakigduyog, Bisaya ra kayong duyog.
Diba? And that is a good thing kasi girelate ni mo yung self, nakarelate ang atong mga audiences dira ang dapita. And Kier, do you have any question?
Okay, my last question, same as the other akong gipangutana because I can relate also balancing yung passion and studies as well. So, kamo giunsa man ninyo pag-balance ang yung passion sa yung band as well as your academic as well?
Yun. Anyway, so we balance our studies and passion po like for example sa mga practices. So among klase mga good is afternoon 12 to 6. So after na mo mag-study, after na mo sa school, we make time, ginatagaan na mo og time mga among passion which is this music po. And then dili man siya sagabal siguro sa mga studies. So ginabalance na mo siya like ginatagaan na mo siya time.
Yes, and kabalo mo sa banda, sa normally good no kay pag banda man good team man good ta. So ginausa niyo pag-handle ang inyuhang mga kanang misunderstanding or if naay mga kanang ang isa dili siya ko
yes, because sometimes creative minds will on some kanang assignment na lang na siya. Okay. So, ginaunsa ninyo pag-handle ang mga creativity ninyo nga sahay kay mo intertwine na siya together?
Inabaliwala na mo ang mga mali na mo as a band because kay kuan man ang negativity, just like I said before, na ginagamit na ko siya as motivation or kami as well po.
Yes, that is really a good thing. By the way, thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you so much for joining us tonight. And now,
before dahil makalimot, no? We are live din pala. Yes, we are live. So mag-hello, taturang camera. That's the camera.
Yes, you can catch us alive sa City Government of Tagum Facebook page.
Tagum City Youth and Sports Development Office po na Facebook page. So hello po sa ating mga online viewers. Pwede pa po kayo pumunta dito kasi we are halfway pa. And marami pa pong banda na mapiperform. And I'm sure, marami pa pong foods sa site na pwede po nating bilhin. Anyways, our bond is ready. So,
and now, since our next contender is now ready, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, let's give a big round of applause for our entry number 6, Mariposa!
Gabi tanan.
First of all, I just want to introduce the band. On guitar, Ray. On bass, Walter. And of course on drums, JB. And I am Cosi Rans. And we are the Mariposa. And our first song is called Planong Papel by December Avenue. So boys!
Ang iyong pagluha, damdamin mo'y aabot sa tumigil na tadhana. Aabutin ng iyong palad ang hangarin, makarating pa kaya sa kaniyang piling, kay pumikit. Ihip ng hangin sa kamay mong malamig, daig na tinig na sa aking pandinig. Hindi pa rin ang iyong palad ang hangarin, makarating pa kaya sa kaniyang piling, kay pumikit. Kung panalangin ko'y di marinig, abutin man ang bawang salin. Kailangan ko isigaw, ako'y iyong-iyo, ang dalangin ng puso'y ikaw. Sandali, huwag mong ang iyong pagluha, damdamin mo'y aahon sa tumigil na tadhana. Aabutin ng iyong palad ang hangarin, makarating makaya sa kaniyong piling, kay pumikit. Panalangin ko'y di marinig, abutin man ang bawat sandali. Kailangan kong isigaw, ako'y iyong-iyo, ang dalangin ng puso'y ikaw. Sa bawat dikit ng aking pagdaramdam ay hindi ka malapitan, nakikiusap na lang. Kung panalangin ko'y di marinig, abutin man ang bawat sandali. Kailangan kong isigaw, ako'y iyong-iyo, ang dalangin ng puso.
mind. Ignorance is kind. There's no comfort in the truth, and pain is all you find. Yeah. I feel so unsure as I take your hand and lead you to the dance floor. As the music dies, something in your eyes, there's no more worth in the truth, and pain is all you'll find. I'm never gonna dance again, guilty feet have got no rhythm. Though it's easy to pretend, I know I'm not a fool. Should've known better than to cheat a friend and waste the chance that I've been given. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I danced with you. Time can never mend careless whispers of a good friend to the heart and mind. Ignorance is kind. There's no comfort in the truth, and pain is all you find. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm. Though it's easy to pretend, I know I'm not a fool. Should've known better than to cheat a friend and waste the chance that I've been given. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I danced with you. The music seems so loud. I wish that we could lose this crowd. Maybe it's better this way. We hurt each other with the things we wanna say. We could have been so good together. Could have lived this dance forever. But now it's gonna dance with me. Please stay. To pretend, I know I'm not a fool. Should've known better than to cheat a friend and waste the chance that I've been given. So I'm never gonna dance again the way I danced with you.
And that was our entry number 6, Mariposa. Ayan, thank you so much for the very much wonderful presentation tonight, Rexy.
Yes.
And of course, before we proceed to our next entry, we would like to request na any representative coming from Mariposa to please join us tonight for our Chika Minute session tonight.
Yes. Anyways, buhi pa ba ang ato ang mga live atong mga audience diha? Hello, audience!
Ayan.
Ay, ganahan ko kay buhay pa yun sila. Perfect.
Ayan, kompleto sila. Yan,
Ay.
dali diriya, sir. Okay, before that partner, before that Direxie, syempre ilahang name sa ilang band is Mariposa. But of course, ila-ilahon sad nato sila once more. Since nag-introduce naman sila ganina, but karon ila-ilahon nato sila pag-usap.
Yes, so starting with...
Yes.
Hey, good evening everyone. My name's Rans. My name's Rans po. Rans.
Mic check. Mic check.
Okay, bisa na drummer, JB.
Yes, and good evening to everyone. My name is Ray, the guitarist of Mariposa.
Good evening everyone. My name is Walter Bass.
Alright, thank you so much. And of course now, since atong gusto po namo no, mailhan or mahibalaan kung pila na katuig nag-exist ang inyong band since kamo man ang medyo kanang young looking.
Sige, so our history, we are formed actually grade 11 senior high. That's why and karon bali nakita namo ni na POTB bali nag-reunion yun. Mao ni among purpose sa pag-join. Wala mi nag-compete to win but we compete to perform.
Wow.
Ayan, ganun. We are not here just to compete but to perform.
And very nice no na nahimo siyang kaninga competition, nahimong platform na maging mag-reunite mo balik.
Okay, since I-mention man ni mo ganina, sir, nga grade 11 pa mo nag-start or na buo niyang team. Karon, pila naman ka 2 sir?
Kana na information i-disclose lang namo. Kay murag secret na siya.
So secret lang sa.
Secret lang sa daw na nga information. But again, sir, I just want to note again kung unsa yung inspiration to sing that song earlier kaganina.
Okay, by the way, ang Eroplanong Papel, we actually dedicated, I actually dedicated to my, ano ba? And the Careless Whisper, bali, that is the bali, romantic side of our
Bali team song ninyo before, sir. Grabe naman.
Here, nakabantay ko baka ganina pag start og kanang play sa second song, unsay mong gibuhat?
Kasayawon ko sa kilid.
Pwede pakita sila kung unsa naman pagsayaw.
Pwede ugma na lang.
Assignment. Anyway, so sa akong nabantayan, si Sir nga nakaka-cups, siya yun ang, unsa tayo mong gingon ganina, Sir? Spokesperson. So I think ikaw ang galid sa inyong band, sir. I mean, you are fair man yun, pero ikaw ang nag-lead mostly.
For the most part, dili ako ang leader, but ako lang ang yes.
Oh, yes.
Yan.
And based sa inyong performance karon, sir, ikaw as a vocalist, how would you rate your performance?
Well, first of all, it's good to be back, no? Because after 9 years back, we were classmates sa senior high school. It's good to be back. I think I would rate the performance 6.
Very baba naman ang 6, sir. But anyways, that's your preference. And I think kung 6 na, sir, napagkaday the best.
Yeah.
Kung naka-prepare yun og taman, kung siguro gipadayon ninyo ang inyong band, siguro great performance level.
So sama sa laing ba or sama sa answer, since I know na naga-work naman po mo, no? So sa previous bands, they are balancing their academics and their band as well. So sa inyo naman, sir, yung saan yung pag-balance ang inyong work and your passion sa inyong banda, sir?
To answer that question, actually, we are fighting a hectic schedule yun in terms of practicing our performance. So, bless na lang po sa Ginoo nga naka-perform po rin ayo-ayo po siya.
Diba?
Pila ninyo ni ka-days gi-prepare, sir?
Actually, ang mga preparation sa mga Battle of the Bands, sa pag-compete Bali, 1 month ra jud siya. 1 month. Oh, actually, murag mga 2 weeks. 2 weeks jud siya.
Oh. So, ano yun siya no kay? Siyempre, dili mo po basta-basta sir no kay. Dugay po mo nang wala. So, kailangan dyan siya medyo taas ka preparation for a very good performance. Anyway, Kiri na ba kay question?
Okay, since na-open up naman mo ganina yung ex, unsa man mo gusto isulti sa iya ha?
Ako masulti lang siya if she's watching. God bless you and I hope you live well.
And of course to my ex as well, God bless you, charot.
Wow.
Naki
Ilan
ex.
sila? Ilan sila? Madami?
Daghan ganun so, okay lang.
Charot. I think, ready na po?
Alright, so thank you so much.
Thank you po.
Mariposa for joining us tonight.
Yes, thank
and
you
it's
so
nice to maila-ila na to ang mga bands nga nag-perform tonight.
Yes, and I think ready na good ang ato ang ikapitong nga mag-perform. And kaseven man sila, very coincident nga ika-7 yun sila. This is 7 on stage. A round of applause, please.
want more of the time. I believe I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2-3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling in my body, so run away. No, I don't understand just how much I do and no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your fun got me hoping your pleasure right now. Looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. Oh 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 no. Oh 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 no. Oh 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 no no. Oh 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 oh. When I talk to my friends so quietly, who would think he is? Look at what you did to me. Tennis shoes didn't even need to buy a new dress. You and there ain't nobody is so impressed. It's the way that you knew what I thought I knew. It's the beat that my heart kissing on you. Still don't understand how much you look into when no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you page me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. Looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy, my baby. I'm not myself lately. I'm foolish, I don't do this. Pinpoint myself, baby, I don't care. Baby, your love's got the best of me. Baby, you're making a fool of me. You got me strong and I don't care who sees. Baby, you got me, you got me, you got me. Crazy right now, I'm gonna look crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Love, got me looking so crazy right now. Looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. Looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. With us if you know this song, Padayan! Sing Abante, hukbong, suluwi, makapugong sa kasulog, kakasog, murag sa pamihigaros, landas sa nakalisod, bukid pizza! Sama sa tubig nga diling kapuga, padayon padulong sa kalam, pizza! Padayon! Padayon! Come on, everybody! Padayon! 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 Thank you, everybody! Thank you so much, Tagum Youth Festival 2026. Once again, we are the Sevens of Spades. Thank you. Thank you so much, Tagum.
And that was entry number 7, 7 of Spades. Ayan, grabe ang ilang performance tonight, Drexy.
Yes. Kung kung na may mga extracurricular charas, sila gina best in costume.
Yes,
Kita
best
man
in
nato, no?
costume. Alright, of course, we are requesting as well any representatives coming from 7 of Spades to come and join us for our short chika moments.
Yes.
Ayan, come here dito, ma'am.
Ang ating mga vocalists.
Vocalist.
Nga, grabe ka strong og vocals.
Yes.
Ayan,
Vocal
hello.
cords.
So, kumusta ang inyong performance based sa inyo, ha?
Hanga kayo. Like, kakulba siya at the same time fun because may purpose na mo diri ang maka-compete mi og mga talented nga youth diri sa Tagum, and we are so honored to perform with you guys.
Ayan.
Tinuod bang yun no nga kulba gyud
Kulba,
mag-perform.
so
Pero
because-
audience, makita ba ninyo ang ilahang kakulba? Ay, ganohan ko, dili gyud daw sa meaning, na-enjoy gyud nila. Namura pag wala sila nag-compete, tama? Yes!
Yan.
Grabe ang energy, ma'am.
Musukol pa yung vocal cords.
Oo.
Kakantahon na siya. Charot.
Yes.
Anyway, gusto lang po naman mahibal kung asa gikan since inyong name sa yung band is quietly unique jud siya.
Yes.
Yes, so asa gikan ang name sa inyong band?
Actually, ang Seven of Spades kay bag-ulan jud na mo siya nahimo because ang original jud niya is Ace of Seven but i-change na mo siya since ang among mga players is not originally from Ace of Seven, so we want to change it para makita po nila nga gikan sa ilahang name ang ilahang i-perform.
Wow. Yes, I remember because last 2024, you are part of the top 3 finalists for the Battle of the Band. I remember yun ako kay, syempre, basta mga gwapa o gwapo, mga hawod, dili yun na sila makalimtan.
So ma-remember po ko mo up until next time.
Wow!
Charot.
Correct!
And yes, of course, Lucky 7, dyan na kay 7 nilang names sa band. And of course, they're also entry number 7.
Yes, grabe yun ka coincidence, no?
Yes.
So, ang inyong song nga gipili was
Padayon by Kuntao and Crazy in Love by Rihanna.
Wow, sir! It's from your band. Diba? So, also man ang feeling kanang gi-perform yun ninyo siya in a very hype, in a very kanang lively yun siya. So, unsa man ang inyong na-feel karon?
Na-enjoy ko na mo siya after sa performance. First, before mi nitong is naka-feel dyan may kakulba kay kining nakita mo jud natong tanan nga tanan ni perform diri og among botay ba na mo perform kay mga howd food. So dili jud ka magpasalig kay kanya-kanya tawag yung preparan but fun kayo siya, nalingaw mi on stage and wala rang kakulba because the hype of the people.
Alright, so thank you so much
Yes, thank
for
you.
joining us tonight. Alright, and now ladies and gentlemen, I think our next performer is now ready. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for our entry number 8, Hexazone!
Maka-adik, gugmang maka-stress, gugmang makabuang, gugmang makamaoy. Law na ang kagabion, magtukaw ka lang gihapon. Sige yung chat, sige yung tawag, buot na ginig walay tulnanay. Basta para sa inigugma, basta para magkaisulan lang. Basta maigo na ka, hindi tawag nila. Gugmang maka-adit, gugmang maka-stress, gugmang makabuang, gugmang makamaoy. Go sa gugma, go sa gugma. Dili sa'yo nang mahigugma, kung malibayo na, sige larga. Ipanayan ka na sa imong hinigugma, basta di man iayaw na palabi. Hinay, hinay, basinog mamaoy ka. Hinay, hinay, pumupakyas ka. Basta may guna ka, ninggito ang nila. Bumang makaadi, bumang makastress, bumang makabuang, bumang makamaoy. Go sa guma, go sa guma. Kung mahigugma ka, dili ka maligay. Kung mahigugma ka, inagi atasan. Kung ang imong gugma, di mo sudinutanay, di man idudungin ay iyaw palabi para hasay. Kung ikaw nahigugma, mura na lang nagnegosyo ka usahay, mo ginansya ka sa hindi pa. Hinay, hinay, basinog magbasol ka. Hinay, hinay, kalma lang. Basta may guna ka, hindi tawag nila. Gugmang makastress,
Got me hoping you save me right now. Your kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Got me hoping you save me right now. Save me right now. Save me right. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love. So deep in your eyes, I touch you in one more every time. When you leave me, I'm begging you not to go. Call your name 2 to 3 times in a row. Such a funny thing for me to try to explain. How I'm feeling in my pride is the one to blame. Yeah, cause I know I don't understand. That's how you let them do what no one else can. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you save me right now. The kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Got me hoping you save me right now. The kiss got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love. Looking so crazy, your love's got me looking so crazy, your love. Hey! So crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you save me right now. Please, got me hoping you save me right now. Looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy in love. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your love's got me looking so crazy right now. Got me looking so crazy right now. Your touch got me looking so crazy right now. Got me hoping you save me right now. Please, got me
Good din sila dito sa front. Alright, thank you so much. Sa kanyang mga name, ma'am.
I am Myrene Ighot po. And I am Dion Ferido po.
Ayan. And of course, they are members from the band Hexaton.
So, giunsa ninyo pagbugna ang pangalan sa inyong band? So, since 6 na may kabuok, gitawag na mo siya or ginganlan na mo siya Hexaton kay 6 man may kabuok. So, informative. Pag hexa di ay hexagon, 6 kabuok.
Pag pentagon, assignment.
Assignment siya. Anyways, pila na mo ka months or years magkauban as a band?
So, honestly, bago rin ko nagapil og banda last February ra. So, mo na ning ako ang mo na ning ako ang pagbalik sa competition and I'm so glad nga nakauban ako sila sila kay very kanang nindot kay sila kauban, kanang nindot kay sila magki-communicate, magsinabtanay gud me and yeah.
So you sang, so yung giganta ganina?
Among gikanta kay Crazy in Love o Gugmang Maka.
Okay, so unsa yung inspiration to mauna yung napili nga song knowing that every song tells a story, man?
So, napili naman niya siya nga songs. It's because mga siya, murag English version lang siya sa Crazy in Love, which is ang Gugmang Mak. Ay, ang Bisaya version diya sa Crazy in Love. Crazy in Love is ang Gugmang Maka. So, in this generation, kay murag buwang-buwang ba po dahil sa pag-ibay.
Wala ka mo lang, wala kay Abia. Chara.
Ay, dili ka sa kadiri nga generation.
Ala.
Ay, sure lang. Anyways, so Kier, na kay question sa ilaha. Kanang murag pa mental block mo gud ko kay kanang I love the charas. Ay, wow. Ganun pala.
Diba?
So, ano na lang, kane, kinsa mostly ang nag-lead sa inyo? Kamo ba? Kay mismo kamo ang vocalist or the other member of the band?
So sa tinuod lang, wala dyan nag-lead sa mua. Yes, wala nag-lead sa mua and kana ang ako ang gika-proud sa ilaha or sa mua kay kami ra ay nagbugna rin may gamu ang mga different styles sa music, kung sa ang pagpalo sa drums and believe ko sa may isa ka member nga siya gid ang nag-stand out as leader which is si Kurt Pablo po.
Alright, of course, I just want to know, no, same lang sa other bands. So, ginaunsa ninyo pag-balance? Siyempre, I believe nag-study pa mo, diba? So, how do you balance your academics and your passion sa inyong band?
So, actually, nagaplano jud me beforehand during sa practice, like, guys, mag-meet up taan ni guys, since mga busy man jud ta niya, different schools na baya. So, nagasabot jud me as a group and
bali time management ba kay syempre ang uban sa mo ang mga ka-member is college na, especially sa KUA, and mo po na siya ang number one nga challenge sa KUA kay gina-balance ginako ang ako ang akad, so ako ang pag-apil ani nga competition.
Yes, of course, it is nice actually that we can really see, no, ang atong mga youth or kabatanunan diri sa Tagum that they really balance their passion and their academics. With that, ila dyan ginahatagan og importance ang two aspect sa the academics and the passion as well.
Here, and it is really nice yun, no, nga gibalance Manila. At the same time, na-enjoy nila nga klase nga performance, ang pag, I'm sure, nag-excel po mo sa inyong academic, right? So, it is really nice yun. And going back sa inyong gikanta, is it your kanang panglaban nga song or it's just happen nga kana lang yung napili karon?
So, to tell you honestly, ang isa sa mong song is mao na among winning song before. Yes. Was the Crazy in Love back in February, I think, 22. Basta kato nga time is nato paghinambog, but kato nga time is nakuha po na mo among gusto dyan makuha nga title.
Thank you so much for joining us tonight. And of course, it's nice, no, nga maila-ila nato ang inyong band. And I think our next entry is now ready. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to our entry number 9, Ecstasy.
sangali nagro-rosaryo, mata niya'y nakapiti, pumara sa may kumbento, sa babaan lampo sabi ng Juber, kasi may nanguhuli, mura pa rin ang mura ang kapatid ay siya rin ginagawa mo sa akin. Ano man ang iyong ginagawa sa iyong kapatid ay siya rin ginagawa mo sa akin. Iyong ginagawa sa iyong kapatid ay siya rin ginagawa mo sa akin. Banal na song, banal na song, santong kabayan. Natatawa ko, natatawa ko, natatawa ko, natatawa ko, natatawa ko sa'yo. What's good, Dagum City? We are Ecstasy, and now I'm going to introduce you to our band. First up is our bassist, Leonard! Let's go, Leonard! And of course, we won't miss the beats without Yash! And our golden trio, Sam, John, and Reese. Santong kabayo, nagtatawa ko, nagtatawa ko. Banal na aso, santong kabayo, nagtatawa ko, nagtatawa ko sa'yo.
I'm Trixie. So, Ate Trix, unsa may thought process nimo atong first song na to? What's in your head? In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Thank you, everybody.
And that was our entry number 9, Ecstasy. Alright, grabe ng performance tonight. Thank you so much. And of course, once again, we would like to request a key.
Ayan.
Thank you
so much, everyone. Courtesy.
Alright, before we ma-exit, dali sa mo diri sa front for our short interview. They serve as face card, di ba, Draxie?
Yes. Yan, hello po.
Alright, we're in front. Okay, so, before that, no, kinailangan sa tamo, ano yung pangalan na?
Again, I am Trixie Carrehontia from University of Southeastern Philippines.
I am Natalie Ocado po from Tagum City National High School.
Alright, of course, the name of your band is Ecstasy.
Ecstasy.
Yes, and you actually have the same name to the next entry.
Yeah.
Okay,
With
so...
a different spelling.
Okay, so... unsa ang gigikanan or inspiration sa pangalan sa inyong band?
Actually is it was our keyboardist idea. So, can I request him?
So, if we can request Sabino.
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 Can I request Sabino?
Sabino.
And the audience as well requesting atong guitarist daw. Keyboardist. Okay.
So it is good nga bugikan gyud so kang kinsang idea nganong katuman ang ilahang ginahon-nahonan.
Ayan, he's there. Alright, so ikaw dyan ang ilahang request to answer our question, no? So, unsang inspiration sa pangalan sa inyong band?
Actually, wala may kabalo na napunay other na ecstasy sa banda. But the band is composed of tulo ka four ka existing na ecstasy members back then. Nag-import na may mga kauban na mo. And then like ecstasy siya, ambot mo, ano sa mga gitarista. Kay whenever we feel music daw, or mahay daw sila. Like,
Anyways, ang inyong gikanta kay
Zombie and Banal na Aso po.
Banal na Aso and Zombie. Kanang pagkani-gani ang mga klase nga song ang imuhang pilion, it's something rock talaga ang mahinumduman nimo. So, nganong kana man ang inyong gipili as your music karon gabi una?
ang banal na aso kasi sa una magod ako, ako ba ng mga uncle, mo ni jamming na mo pirme niya. Mo na bisagon sang versions, reggae, unsa ba. Pero inigabot sa zombie, ambot kay bundak lang mo dyan, dunggar na mo Spotify niya. Mo to, zombie na lang me.
Do you think nga consider nimo siya as your kanang strongest song gani nga gina-play every time na mag-appeal mo band? Gina-consider nimo siya as the strongest song ninyo? Or naapa mo lahi pang song na ginahunahon na every time na ingon nag-competition?
Stumble na para dyan sa buhang zombie. Kay buntak siya, although we don't really know the meaning of the song, but
yeah. Alright, of course, I just want to know as well, pila naman ka years nga nag-exist ang inyong band?
2 weeks, 1 week.
As in, ganun na. Na parang, hoy, joint na competition. Dere na, mauna na siya.
Diba?
So, this is the first time nga nag-appeal mo competition. Ay, so you have different bands before?
Yeah, from different schools. Again, from the Water City High. Then ako from USEP. So, fan kanang...
Grabe ang supporters.
Yeah. Kanang from Connections ng Jude. And yeah, muna to siya.
Yeah, it is nice ba nga gikan sila sa lahi-lahi nga band before and school also. Pero nag-unite sila to present as a one group. It's so nice.
Yes, of course, no, they really show and camaraderie when it comes to, kasi syempre, they used to become competitors back then, but now, sila na is one team.
Yes. And so, if you are going to rate your performance tonight, pila man ang inyong ihatag na scores sa inyong
Roy, Apple, Gio, and the whole TSC Comelec and my user friends, yeah.
Wow, very supportive naman ang friends.
Alright, thank you so much. Our entry number 9. And now, ladies and gentlemen, our next entry is now ready to perform. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause for our entry number 10, Ecstasy.
Hey, test, check, hey. 1, 2, 3.
Check, hey. Test, check, hey.
Hey, test, check. Hey, test, mic, check.
Maayong gabi, Tagum!
Nakapikit mata, naririnig ito. Pero kahit nakatakip tenga, nagkikita kita. Katulad ng iba, pero kahit
Pinapaikot ng mga lumot yung mga utak pinapura. Pwede ka natakot, ikaw ay sabot. Pinangsurok sa at kumot. Puro duta, nasa gawa. Sige nitay rin nakakatuwa. Mga puro pangako, lahat buta pa. Basta pasensya na may wala. Kumakalang niyo mga siguro. Biglang papasok opportunist. Kakalimutan ka para sa pera. Pakikisama na iyang pinibenta. Presyo ka pa ba sa aking liku-likong sistema? Sama ka sa akin sa inang epidemya. Naluwaganap, napahirap sa mahirap. Tumatapos, pangarap, di mahilap, liwamulap. O tayo ay naghihirap. Sinasige sa pagkalat na man na dapat pangling sa ating manghirap. Ladies and gentlemen, we are the Exorcists! Ko naman nilalahan. Hindi naman lahat kasi nagkakalaan. Sa dami ng hayop sa gubat, alam kong hindi lahat nangangagat. Silipin mo sa daksip at nakikita sinong tapat. Hindi sapat ang iyong mata kapag hindi ka pamulat. Kahit nakahigit mata, nakikinig kita. Kahit nakatakip tenga, nakikita kita. Hindi ako perfecto katulad ng iba. Pero kahit nakahigit mata, nakikinig kita. Kahit nakapikit mata, naririnig
And our next song is this song is titled Bang Bang.
Got a body like an hourglass, but I can give it to you all the time.
She got a booty like a Cadillac, but I can send you into overdrive.
Have you waiting for that? Step on up, swing your back.
See anybody could be that to you. You need a bad girl to blow your mind.
Bang bang
To the room, and all you wanna
bang bang.
all over you, let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, do ya?
Bang bang
There goes your heart, I know you want it back, back. Sit on my phone, let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, do ya? She got a body like an hourglass back and give it to you all the time. She got a booty like a Cadillac, but I can send you into overdrive.
Have you waiting for that? Step on up, swing your back.
See anybody could be bad to you. You need a bad girl to blow your mind.
Bang bang
To the room, and all you want
bang
it.
bang.
All over you, let you have it. Lotto we winning and lotto we tripping on mother. Whoa, yo, kitty too good, judge jumping I would get the round of the injured good. Yo, Batman, Robin, and Batman, Conan, Pinky, jumping and prominent. It's me, Jesse, and Ari. If this test me, this sorry. Brought this hard like a Harley and pulled up in this Ferrari. If we hanging, we begging. Phone ringing, is laying. Get the karaoke, let the get the mic or some singing.
B to the A, to the N, to the A, B to the A, to the N, to the A.
Certainly body could be bad to you. You need a bad guy. You need a bad guy to blow your mind. Your mind.
Bang bang
To the room, I don't want it.
bang bang.
All over you, let you have it. Wait a minute, let me take you there. Wait a minute, do ya?
Bang bang
To the room, I don't want
bang
it.
bang. Once again, we are the Ecstasy Band. Alright, thank you so much. Entry number 10, Ecstasy. Wow! Ang may nga dyan ako, Drexy, it's a wow. Grabe nga to ang 10 entries tonight. They really prove that Tagum City is
very talented.
The music capital of the South.
Yes.
Anyways, for sure yun, sama sa mong gingon hawod, yun kayo ito mga bands, no? And I know for sure yun, nga naglisod po ang atuang mga judges. Tama, naglisod, ma'am? Grabe ang ana ni ma'am.
Naglisod mo? Deserve. Charot.
Chares. Ginawa, ay nilagay namin kayo sa posisyon na yan.
Yes.
So, go.
Ginusto niyo yan eh. And of course, at this juncture, it's time for us to check the energy sa ato ang audience.
Yes.
Oh, this is actually one of the favorite parts. Kai.
I wanna volunteer. Sino po yung pwedeng
Na ako'y nakita nag-raise ayang hand.
Ay, very good.
Okay, pangita sa dito ang ma-interview ni mo, Draxi.
Yes.
Alright, ma'am, what's your name?
My name is Yani po.
Yani. Yes, and how old are you?
I'm 18.
Wow, sweet 18. So, I just want to know, ma'am, how was your experience while watching the 10 entries for our Battle of the Bands?
Ano po, very, very proud sa 10 entries. Pero, especially sa Ecstasy Band, save the best for last, jud kaayo. And I'm very proud of my boyfriend po, the vocalist.
Speechless ko sa boyfriend. Sana all my supportive girlfriend. So, any message to your boyfriend who sang earlier?
I am very, very proud of you, Jo, and you did great. And witness jud ko sa ilahang efforts, and of course, sa other friends na ko sa ilahang banda, sa ilang drummers, sa ilang keyboardist, kay Mara, Denver, and kay Gigi, of course, kay Jillian po. I am very proud of all of you.
Alright, thank you so much. Once again, sa'yo pangalan mo, ma'am? Ma'am Yana? Yani. Alright, thank you so much. And of course, asa naman?
Anyways, here.
Si Drexy.
Here na ako diri sa likod. Hi!
Okay.
I am with my very good friends. Ay, dili pwede daw matuyok ang cam. Ay, ngit-ngit. So kami ang watas.
Pangalalay mo at siya sa tubangan.
Ay ba? Oo, dili man matuyok ang cam. So kamo ang muduol unsa. Kay pasikat baya mo. Sorry. Dere kuya. Dito ba yun sa front? Dali, dire.
Ayan.
Kasama ko ang inyong idol, Jose Emmanuel Flores Jr. Dito sir, okay na sir? Kitang-kita. Hello, madam. Good evening.
Good evening sa katunga, madam.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen.
Ay, parang hindi pala bagay ang Jose Manuel ngayon. Dapat pala M lang muna. Actually, M is one of us. Part po siya ng hosting collective. So, very gahotera po di siya nga host sa ana. So, anyways, kumusta ang Judger daw karon. Kumusta ang performance sa tuang mga bands from 1 to 10? Tanan yun, overall.
Actually, I wasn't able to fully witness the entire performances sa tanan-tanan, but I feel like the last performer, kay gisum up niya ang tanan dyan ng mga saray-saray.
Ay?
And I feel like nag-represent sa tanan ng mga ka-house sa mga banda. And actually, karoon ako na-realize nga, fun day kay siya. Very,
So, dili di ka fun before og mga battle of the band.
Yeah, ano lang ako sa gidli, baby.
Pero parang last 2024, hindi ganyan ang energy mo, te. And for the information of everyone, last Battle of the Soundwave Battle of the Band 2024, me and M was the host nga time. So, piling na ko, dili pa na ingatoy mong energy, te.
Naiba na po ngayon, epekto na ang epekto sa hormones. Yes, epekto na ang paracetamol.
Paracetamol na dahil mo ginato, Marty.
Paracetamol ang hormones, kaya para ana lang ba? Lang tayo.
Okay, so, base na kay gusto i-shout out?
I would like to shout out my friends. Mga reg! Mga bading! Beware sa ilaha, guys, kay mga mukhaon na silang tao. Mga I speak sila sa kilid. Ay, shout out tayo na ako among organization, the IMC Nag-Volunteer Organization, the Tagum City Hosting Collective, and of course, the Tagum Young Leaders Organization. And guys, pamalit na mo og ano please, merchandise para na ipagkaon ng among org. Ana lang siya. Yes po.
Anyways, thank you so much, for being with us tonight. Yes.
Ayan, thank you so much for gracing us tonight.
Yes. And ikaw, Kier. Ikaw ko pangutan-on.
Go.
Kay, naka-witness man yun ka from 1 to 10 since kita man yun na nag-host. Kailangan na pa i-witness. Unsa imong maingon sa performance nilang tanan?
I can actually say that really Tagomenians are really talented, no? And of course, ang 10 entries really ilang giset ang standard diri sa Tago.
Kana ganing makaingon ka, Kier, no nga tagom pa ba? Tagom lang ni?
Yes.
Di ba, ano ang level ba? Kasi the music of Tagomeños is really high. High yun ang standard. High standard yun. And dili lang siya basta-basta makaingon ka, ay boring. No! I know for sure makaingon yun mo nga dili boring ang ato ang show tonight. And, yes, Kier.
Asa naman ta?
Asa naman ta? As of the moment, dili pa ko sure if nahuman na ba atong tabulation. Lapa. So,
and of course, at this juncture, we would like to extend our heartfelt thanks and gratitude to our judges through the giving of certificates. So, requesting for a certificate.
and requesting Sir Ron Cadera and Ma'am Jackie Idoliantes to please be here in front as we give the certificate of recognition. Appreciation pala.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to read first the citation for our certificate. Certificate of Appreciation is presented to, in grateful recognition of your outstanding expertise and invaluable contribution as one of the judges during the Grand Jump Battle of the Bands 2026. Your expertise, fairness, and dedication have ensured the fairness and integrity of the competition. Your invaluable judgment has inspired and motivated our participants to showcase their musical talents, creativity, and passion and confidence. Given this 14th day of August 2026 at Rotary Multipurpose Gymnasium, Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Philippines. Signed by our Youth Development Officer, Mr. Edu G. Macabatas, and of course, our beloved City Mayor, Honorable Ray T. Uy. This Certificate of Appreciation is proudly presented to
Jairi Paul Alcando. A round of applause, please.
And of course, the same certificate is proudly presented to Mom Dorothy Bless Banyo. And of course, the last certificate is proudly presented to our third judge and the chairman of the Board of Judges, Mr. Harold S. Umawid.
A round of applause, please.
And of course, as well, we will be recognizing as well our 10 bands tonight. So hoping no nga na pa sila diri sa ato ang venue, inside our venue, because one by one we will be calling your band to come here sa atong stage to receive the certificate of participation. Before that, ladies and gentlemen, allow me to read the citation. Certificate of Participation is presented to, in grateful recognition of your enthusiastic participation in showcasing your talent and passion for music during the Grand Jump Battle of the Bands 2026. Your dedication, passion and commitment to sharing your musical talent have greatly contributed to the success of this event. Your active participation has enriched this meaningful celebration of creativity, teamwork, and self-expression. Given this 14th day of August 2026 at Rotary Multipurpose Gymnasium, Tagum City, Davao del Norte, Philippines. Signed by our Youth Development Officer, Mr. Edo G. Macabatas, and our City Mayor, Honorable Ray T. Uy.
This certificate of participation is presented to Word to Note. Nandiyan pa po ba ang Word to Note band?
We would like to remind all our contenders to please prepare po anytime ang inyong team ang tawagon to come here in front. Thank you so much.
Yes. Please proceed po here in front and receive the certificate of appreciation. The same certificate is presented to Ecstasy, our 10th, right? The 10th.
Yes, our 10th.
Baka kasi malito kasi may dalawa tayong Ecstasy. Ecstasy at Ecstasy. So, the first one is the Ecstasy.
And of course, later on, we will be calling our top 3 for this year's Battle of the Band. So, ayaw sa mo og uli. Kay basin ka mo ang lucky nga ma-appeal sa tang top 3.
Yes, and later top 3 in no particular order po tayo. The same certificate is presented to Ecstasy. Ecstasy, nandito pa po ba kayo? Please notify us. Hit the follow. Charas. Ganito. Yan. Takbo para sa sertipiko. Certificate of appreciation is presented to Drifted Hours. Nandito pa po ba ang Drifted Hours? Siyempre sa sobra mangyud katagal sa ato ang selhang performance time ba kay siguro nagkaon-kaon sila sa kilid-kilid kaya hindi nila naririnig yung names ng band nila.
And of course, the next certificate is probably given to Mariposa.
Once again po, later on, we will be announcing the top 3 in no particular order at malalaman po natin kung sino ang mga nanalo this coming August 31, 2026 mismong sa Pagpupugay 2026. So hopefully magkita-kita po tayo kasi meaning nanalo po kayo. The same certificate is presented to 7 of Spades. Nandito pa po ba ang SOS? Sauce. Nandito pa po ba?
Ayan. We have a representative.
Sorry, hindi ko po nakita agad.
And of course, the same certificate is probably given to Courtney.
Nandito na po ba ang hexatone? Nandito pa po ba ang hexatone?
Ayan. Nasa sila dira.
Yes, ang ating mga girl on fire. Charas. Wearing the red shirt.
Yes.
in a very nice aura. Yes, the same certificate of participation is presented to Roots on Fire. Nandito po ba ang Roots on Fire? Yes, buhay na buhay at ready nang tanggapin ang kanilang sertipiko.
And of course, ladies and gentlemen, our next recipient for our certificate of participation is no other than Estel Yarias. Or I guess natawag na lahat, partner.
Nasaan po ang ating Estel Yarias? Yan.
Yan.
Nasa harapan. Si ate girl na pretty nag-violin. Wow. Once again, congratulations po sa lahat ng banda na nag-participate sa ating The Grand Jump Battle of the Band.
And of course, directly before we announce our top 3, I would like to take this opportunity to thank the people behind my simple looks tonight. For my wardrobe, thank you so much, Ram Bastida and Rico Vic Vic. And of course, for my dental smile, thank you so much, Cello Dental Clinic, owned by Dr. Cello Cueto.
Wow, ang dami mo namang ano.
Of course, kaya masig na tayo free cleaning.
Wow. Anyways, shout. I think bahalag na, dira na lang po dapit sa judge. Ang judge pala.
Okay.
Requesting our judges to please be here in front as we call on our top 3 para meron din po tayong pictures together with the bands. Ayan! Here, ready na ka?
Ready na.
Napil na ako kay Ana na dyan ka, oh?
Yes, nagawa sa mga dancers.
Wow!
Kasayaw
Sana
mo.
all. I know for sure excited and at the same time na feeling nervous na nga to ang mga bands because grabe mo po sila. How did sila ma'am sirs, no? Very, very.
Alright, once again, let's have one last audience check before we announce our top 3. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, are you all excited na ba? O ba na tayo announce din sila excited?
Feeling ako kay mo, wala ka ning singgit ka nag-ampo na magod sila.
Nag-ampo na sila.
Yes. They are praying for their, kanang band na want na ma-appeal sa top 3.
Alright, and now ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, in no particular order, our top 3 for this year's The Grand Jump Battle of the Bands 2026.
We have the band number 7, the 7 of Spades.
Ayan, congratulations! Please come here in front for you to be recognized.
Yes, and to have a photo opportunity with our judges. Congratulations! At makita-kita po tayo ngayong August 31, 2026 para sa Pagpupugay 2026. Yan, pili na ako nakulbahan ng uban. Nga banda. I know kung itap 10 magod nato ni, makarga yun sila. Tanan kay 10 man sila. However, this is a competition nga ni tulo lang ang pilion. So, best of best.
best of the best.
Yes.
Alright, so feature mo na po tayo in front.
Yan. 1, 2, 3, smile. Another pose. Correct.
And of course, our second spot belongs to you. Band number 10, Ecstasy. Our band number 10.
Yes. Congratulations at magkita-kita po tayo ngayong August 31 sa Pagpupugay 2026. Ayan, isang spot na lang ang natitira para sa ating.
Yes.
Para makumpleto ang top 3 pala.
Top 3. And our last spot belongs to you. Band number. Congratulations. Band number 2, Roots on Fire.
And that completes our top 3 finalists for the Grand Champ Battle of the Bands 2026.
And of course, makita tason pohon sa tuang pagpupugay.
Yes. Wear your nicest
Yes.
dresses. Once again, our top 3, we have 7 of Spade, Ecstasy, and Roots on Fire. Once again, congratulations, guys.
Once again, to everyone who come and join us, thank you so much.
Yes. At sa mga hindi po pinalad ngayon, huwag po kayong mag-alala dahil marami pang beses, marami pang future Battle of the Bands na I'm sure ma-ace yun na ninyo po hon.
And ladies and gentlemen, that concludes tonight's activity.
We hope today's experience has inspired you, challenged you, and connected you with fellow young leaders and change makers.
And of course, just like Dr. Banog, may we continue to soar, not alone, but together, strengthened by the friendships and shared purpose we've built tonight.
Thank you once again for joining with us, and we are looking forward to see with you to the next Battle of the Band. Battle of the Band as part of the Tagam City Youth Festival 2026. Once again, we are your hosts. I am Drexy.
And I am Mr. Quirino Almonte from the Tagam City Hosting Collectives. Now officially signing off. Have a wonderful night, Kabataang Tagumenyo. We are Tagum!
Congratulations again, and thank you so much for